Should I begin with the summary?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now Silk Road, you know the story, it is written by Nick Middleton. Okay. And this chapter, you know, it is about the narrator's journey from the slopes of Ravu to Mount Kailash to complete the Kora. Kora is a kind of pilgrimage. Pilgrimage समझते हो ना, अपनी तीर्थ यात्रा करने के लिए. Okay. उसको कहा जाता है. तो ये निक मिडल्टन ने लिखा है कि किस तरह से उसने जर्नी जो थी पूरी तय करी. एंड ही जस्ट कवर्ड द जर्नी फ्रॉम द स्लोप्स ऑफ रावू. और ये तो तुम्हें मालूम है, बहुत माउंटेन रेंजेस एंड एवरीथिंग आर देयर. एंड माउंट कैलाश तक जाना, the journey is too difficult. Okay. And then he just describes how he goes and who was there with him and what happened on the way and everything. So the main protagonist is the Nick Middleton only, the writer, the narrator, and he wanted to go to Mount Kailash to complete the Kora. So he hired Saturn, okay, to drive him, to take him. Okay, so he hired Saturn as a driver to drive him up to Mount Kailash. And what happens? He lives with a family, and there was a girl by the name of Lamu. So when he started his journey for Mount Kailash, as you know, it is very, very cold there, and the temperature is in minus. So when he just starts his journey, Lamu gave him a long sleeved sheepskin coat. Okay. A long coat, you know, long sleeves, full sleeves, and it was made of the skin of sheep. That was very warm to keep him warm from the cold of Mount Kailash. Okay. And then he also takes Daniel. Daniel was the translator. Why? Because the local language that the people spoke, Nick was not able to understand that language. Okay. So he takes with him Daniel, who acted as a translator. Okay. And also became a companion till Darchan. Darchan is the place where he reaches. समझ में आया? वो जर्नी के लिए शुरू होता है, रावो से शुरू होता है, एक फैमिली के साथ रहता है, उसमें लामो एक गर्ल होती है. जब वो जाता है ना, तो शीप स्किन से बना हुआ एक लॉन्ग कोट उसको देती है जिससे उसको वार्म रहे. अब वहाँ की लोकल लैंग्वेज निक वाज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. सेटन निक का ड्राइवर बन जाता है और निक वाज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द लैंग्वेज. तो वो डेनियल को साथ ले लेता है, जो इंटरप्रेटर होता है या ट्रांसलेटर. Okay. Now when they started the journey, Saturn, you know, who was the driver, he takes a shortcut to the southwest. और southwest की तरफ से जाता है. That was the direct route to Mount Kailash. And then they had to cross high mountain passes वगैरह, जो high mountains passes, ऊंचे ऊंचे पहाड़ों के बीच के रास्ते होते हैं, वो क्रॉस करके they had to reach to the destination. ठीक है. अब सर्टन उसको अश्योरेंस देता है कि सर देयर वुडंट बी एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इफ वी डू नॉट फाइंड एनी स्नो ऑन द वे. ओके, ऑन द रोड, राइट. और व्हेन दे वर गोइंग दे सॉ मेनी गजल्स. गजल्स मालूम है ना, हिरन होते हैं. वाइल्ड एसेस देखते हैं, शेपर्ड्स देखते हैं, है ना, जो अपने फ्लॉक्स को लेकर जाते हैं. ब्यूटीफुल साइट इट इज. ओके. सो नाउ व्हेन दे रीच द हिल, this Nick Middleton and all, okay, how many people were there with Nick Middleton, beta? 3 people. One was Sachin, who acted as a driver. Another was companion Daniel, okay, and he himself. So 3 were there. So when they passed, okay, when they reached the hills, they passed dark tents that were pitched there. Okay, dark tents lage hue the, and those tents were of nomads. Who are nomads? Who are nomads? NOMAD.
Nomads, ma'am, are those. Ma'am,
Why
the Banjaras.
Why Hindi? You cannot translate it into English, beta.
Ma'am, nomads are those people which do not have any home.
Yes, who do not have any home, who wanders from place to place, okay? Who roams here and there. They do not have any settled life, okay? They just wander from one place to another, and whenever they find food or whenever they find suitable conditions for survival, they pitch their tents there. So even these three, they passed dark tents, which were home for nomads. And, and outside the tent, Tibetan Mastiff was there. Mastiffs hote hain wahan ke dogs, They were standing there and they were as if they were the guards of those nomads. ठीक है तो जैसे उसकी कार it goes there, these mastiffs, these dogs, with very large jaws, they started running back at the they started running after his car, okay, at the back of them, okay, उनके पीछे भागने लगे, उनकी कार के पीछे भागने लगे. Now they enter the valley, ठीक है, and as soon as they enter the valley, they saw snow-capped mountains, okay, snow-capped समझते हो ना, mountains covered with snows, okay, beautiful scene it was, rivers flowing, okay, and the rivers were blocked while a lot of ice was there. So when they were riding through the hill, the turns became sharper and roads became bumpier. Okay. Now see, they reached the valley, they witnessed, they saw snow-capped mountains, they saw the rivers flowing, but somewhere the rivers were being blocked by the ice. ठीक है, अब वो राइड करना शुरू करते हैं, हिल के वहां से जाते हैं तो जो टर्न्स होते हैं ना वो काफी शार्प हो जाते हैं, एंड द रोड्स दे बिकम वेरी नैरो एंड बम्पियर, ओके, लॉट ऑफ डिचेस, खड्डे वगैरह रहते हैं, पिट्स वगैरह, तो बम्पियर हो जाती है. नाउ Saturn, he was driving the car and it was in the third gear. ठीक है, तो प्रोटोगोनिस्ट जो है वो कार का जो प्रेशर होता है, किस तरह से कार बम्प कर रही है, he could feel. प्रोटोगोनिस्ट कहा जाता है मेन कैरेक्टर ऑफ द स्टोरी. And then he just check it and he finds that they were at 5,210 meters above the sea level. Okay, sea level से 5,210 meters ऊपर आ चुके थे. अब उनका ट्रेवल करते करते दे फेस अ फर्स्ट हर्डल, ओके, एक रुकावट फेस करते हैं, एंड दैट वाज द रोड दैट वाज फिल्ड विद स्नो. Okay, so the snow had blocked the road. तो Saturn जो होता है ना, कुछ dirt फेंकता है on the snow and try to ride through it, okay, और carefully, बहुत carefully वो drive करते हुए आगे ले जाता है, वापस से उनकी journey continue होती है, okay. And then Nick को ये लगता है as if the head, it was being hurt or he did not feel well, so he just take water, he drinks water, and now they were climbing up the hill, and then they reached to 5,515 meters above the sea level they were, and now what happened? They find that they had some problem in the car, और जो पेट्रोल था ना वो एक्सपेंड हो रहा था क्योंकि लो एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. when you go to a height, you feel low atmospheric pressure feel होता है कि नहीं, और वो तो माउंट कैलाश पर जा रहे थे at a very high, okay, at a very great height they were going. तो Saturn advice करता है कि nobody is going to smoke, okay, as the petrol it was expanding. अब around 2 o'clock afternoon में they stop for lunch, okay. जब तक निक का जो हेडेक होता है वो ठीक हो जाता है, ठीक है, और आफ्टरनून में वो पहुंचते हैं एक स्मॉल टाउन होता है होर. गॉट इट? कौशल, पुट ऑफ द कैमरा. सो एक स्मॉल टाउन होता है, देयर दे रीच, एंड उसके बाद ईस्ट वेस्ट हाईवे पर वापस दे कम, ठीक है. अब ये ओल्ड रूट था, ये पुराना रूट था फ्रॉम लासा टू कश्मीर. आर यू गेटिंग इट? सी दे रीच टू होर. होर इज अ स्मॉल टाउन. समझ गए? होर पर पहुंचते हैं, उधर लंच वगैरह लेते हैं, वापस वो निकलते हैं. तो ईस्ट वेस्ट हाईवे होता है, उस पर दे काम. और वो हाईवे होता है लासा से कश्मीर तक का हाईवे. वो लासा से कहाँ लेके जाता है? कश्मीर लेके जाता है. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
अब व्हाट हैपेंस कि उनके कार में कुछ पंचर्स हो जाते हैं, तो पंचर्स रिपेयर कराए जाते हैं. एंड निक जो है एक लोकल कैफे पर, होर में ही ये सब करवाते हैं. वहां पर ही जस्ट ड्रिंक्स अ ग्लास ऑफ टी, ओके, जो उसको बहुत रेलिश कर देती है. देन लेकिन निक ही डिडंट लाइक दैट प्लेस होर. उसको लगता है बड़ी अजीब सी प्लेस है. इट वाज अ स्मॉल टाउन anyway, but they had to stop there for the tea, for the lunch, okay, usse pehle, and for the punctures to get repaired and so on. Saturn जो होता है वो ठीक करवा लेता है गाड़ी को, and then they just continue with their journey. Then they reach to Darchan. Darchan is a place at 10:30. वहाँ पर they stop at a guest house to spend the night. And जब वो डार्चन में रुकते हैं ना, तो निक जो है he becomes ill, okay. और उसको काफी कफ कोल्ड वगैरह ये सब हो जाता है. Why? Because of the cold weather. Lot of cold weather was there and high altitude. So whole night he was not able to sleep. Then next morning, Saturn, he takes him to a Tibetan medical college, लेकर जाता है, and where a Tibetan doctor, okay, was being consulted. और जो Tibetan doctor होता है, उसको 5-day medicines दे देता है, okay, so that he might be well after 5 days. And Nick, he takes the medicine and he feels better. Okay, उस दिन पूरा दिन he stays at Darjan, takes the medicine, he feels better. When he is better, Saturn, he left him thereafter. Okay, when he sees that now his health conditions are good. Now he is staying at Darjan. Now यहाँ पर क्या Darjan, place थी, Tibetan place, बहुत सारी Chinese shops थी, Chinese cigarettes were there, soap was there, okay. और दिन में देखता है कि all the men of Darchan they gather at a very shabby, एक थोड़ी कोई पुरानी गंदी टेबल होती है, वहां पर पूल खेलते हैं, ठीक है. And women, the stream was flowing, okay, flow of water was there. तो उसी में they started washing their hair and all, ठीक है. और फिर वो देखता है Darchan, that was a place, a way to go to Mount Kailash, but he did not see any pilgrims there. Who are the pilgrims? Who are the pilgrims, beta? तीर्थ यात्री, ओके. तो वो देखता है डार्चन में कि यहाँ पे तीर्थ यात्री नहीं दिख रहे हैं. तो वहां के लोग कहते हैं कि एक्चुअली दिस इज नॉट द पीक सीजन. जब पीक सीजन होता है ना, तो दिस प्लेस इट इज फुल ऑफ पिलग्रिम्स, है ना. जब पीक सीजन होता है जाने का, तो उस समय जो होता है पिलग्रिमेज का, है ना, तीर्थ यात्रा का जब पीक सीजन होता है, उस समय द प्लेस इज फुल ऑफ पीपल. Sorry. Now, when he was sitting in the cafe, he meets a person, okay, and his name was Norbu. And जो नॉर्बू होता है वो तिब्बतन ही होता है, बीजिंग में काम करता है वो. और कहाँ पर करता है? द इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एथनिक लिटरेचर ऑफ चाइनीज एकेडमी ऑफ सोशल साइंस. और वो भी डार्चन आया था, ओके. जिस तरह से ये निक, he had come. Why? Because even he wanted to go to Mount Kailash. अब ये जो नॉर्बू होता है, he was quite fat and it was difficult for him to walk, okay. तो even he was going to Mount Kailash. तो finally वो सोचता है Nick कि now I got a company, I'm going to go to Mount Kailash with whom? With whom? With this
Norbu.
man. हाँ, Norbu. और Saturn, you know, गाड़ी यहीं तक आनी थी बेटा कार. Okay, so he leaves Nick there and he returns back. Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. तो वो सोचता है, तो वो लोग क्या करते हैं, then they hire yaks. Yaks, you might have seen yak. Yak is an animal ना. तो देखा है ना,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
the people, you know, they travel on yak, they just ride onto the yak, okay, and they also put their luggage on yak and they just carry it, okay. So even they hired yaks. And Norbu जो है थोड़ा बहुत मजाक करता है, कहता है it's not possible for me to sit on the yak because my tummy is too big and I cannot sit on the yak and so on. Okay, समझ में आया? And then they just try to complete the journey to Mount Kailash. Got it? See this Silk Road now, what I said, जैसे मैंने तुम्हें वो बताया था ना बेटा, that King Tut का, I told you na, it's there on the Discovery Channel also. I told you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So इसी तरह even Silk Road is there because no fiction is there in it. Okay. कोई इसमें imagination नहीं है, ये तो true description है निक का, जो उसने अपना ट्रेवल अपना पिलग्रिमेज करा था टू माउंट कैलाश. ओके. और जो नॉर्बो होता है ना, बहुत आइडल कंपेनियन ही प्रूव्स इन द लास्ट. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा कंपेनियन वो बन जाता है. और फिर दोनों तय करते हैं कि दे बोथ टुगेदर दे विल गो टू माउंट कैलाश टू कंप्लीट द कोरा. क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So you can also just see it on the Discovery, but I know you people are too busy. You do not get time to see to it. So many times I've told you, just go to the Discovery channels or to the YouTube, you know, and just try to find out this about King Tut. You just try to find out about the Silk Road. Okay, because no such fiction is there. All these are the factual descriptions. और जब आप देखोगे ना, वीडियो देखोगे, विजुअल इमेजेस, so you are going to understand it in a better way. समझ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow, okay, tomorrow we are going to
Yes, ma'am.
begin with the chapter. Fine.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Doing the question
Yes,
answers
ma'am.
or not?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
चलो,
हो गया.
ठीक है बेटा. Thank you.
थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you. God bless you.